line integral okay, let vector f x comma y comma z be a vector function and a curve AB. Vector R tangent vector f and point P. The line integral of a vector function capital F along the curve AB is defined as integral of the component of f along the tangent to the curve AB. The component of f along the tangent PT PT at a point P. P is the tangent at a point P, which can be written as dot product of vector f and unit vector along the PT. That means vector f dr on ds vector. Okay, where dr on ds is unit vector along tangent PT. Okay, so the line integral defined as summation of vector f dot dr upon ds vector from A to B along the curve from A to B, from A to B along the curve. So line integral is equal to integration vector f dot dr upon ds which is equal to integral c means path of the curve vector r dot dr. Next work, if vector f represent the variable force acting on a particle along arc AB, then the total work done W is equal to A to B F dot dr. Okay. Question is, okay, I can repeat. Line integral means let vector f, which is xyz function, be a vector function and a curve a b. The line integral of a vector function f along the curve a b is defined as the integral of the component of vector f along the tangent to a b. So component of vector f along the tangent pt is defined as vector f dot dr upon ds, where dr upon ds is the unit vector along the tangent pt. So our line integral is summation vector f dot dr upon ds from a to b along the whole curve. So the line integral is integral f dot dr upon ds into ds. That means integral f dot dr. If vector f represent the variable force acting on a particle at a p along the curve this one, then the total work done defined as vector f dot dr integral a to b. Okay. Now question is, if a force vector f is equal to 2x square y I 3xy j displace a particle in xy plane from 0, 0 to 1, 4 along a curve y is equal to 4x square. So find the work done. Okay. So solution is, we know that the formula regarding the work done is vector f dot dr. So work done is integral c vector f dot dr. So we can write integral c 2x square y I plus 3xy j, this one, dot dr means if r vector is equal to xi plus yj, then dr is equal to dxi plus dyj. Okay. So dxi plus dyj. So integral I dot I is 1, I dot j is 0, j dot j is 1 and j dot I is 0. So integral is 2x square y dx plus 3xy j dot j is 1 and dy. Okay. So and the curve y is equal to 4x square is given. The value of y and dy put in this equation. If y is equal to 4x square, then dy is equal to 8x dx. Okay. So integral 0 to 1 2x square y means 4x square dx plus 3xy means 4x square dy means 8x dx. Integrate this and solve this term. for 804, तो ये टोटल आ जाएगा 104 इंटीग्रल 0 to 1 x की पावर 4 dx. दैट मीन्स 104 x की पावर 5 upon 5 लिमिट 0 to 1. Okay, so 104 upon 5. So I repeat the question again. If a force given this one displace a particle in xy plane from this to this, x की value 0 to 1 and y is 0 to 4 along the curve this one, then find the work done. We know that the formula regarding work done is integral f dot dr. The value of f, this one, put in here, and vector r is known as xi plus yj plus z. Okay, तो xi plus yj, that means dr is equal to dxi plus dyj, put here. Okay, solve this. I dot I is 1, I dot j is 0, j dot I is 0 and j dot j is 1. Then we get this term. Okay, and the values of y put in here, and the value of dy, this one, is put in here. The limit is along to y, that means 0 to 1. Whole term is converted in the x, so limit put in x axis 0 to 1. Okay, now next question is evaluate integral f dot dr. See, where vector f is x square I xy j, and c is the boundary of the square in the plane z is equal to 0, and bounded by the line x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to a, and y is equal to a. So solution is, we know that the work done formula regarding this one is f dot drc. So we can write integral f dot dr o x y a b c, this one. So OA, this one, plus AB f dot dr plus OAAB BC f dot dr plus CO f dot dr, and vector R is xi plus yj. Then dr means dxi plus dy j, and f is this one. So f dot dr is x square dx plus xy dy, equation 1. Okay, now on plane OA y is 0, therefore vector f dot dr is equal to x square dx. Then integral OA f dot dr is equal to 0 to a x square dx, that means x cube upon 3, and limit 0 to a, that means a cube by 3, equation 3. Equation 2. Okay, on line AB, here x is equal to a, x is equal to a, then equation 1 become this one, become f dot dr is equal to ay dy. So integral ab f dot dr is equal to integral 0 to a ay dy is equal to a y square by 2, that means लिमिट हो जाएगी 0 से a, so a क्यूब बाई 2, इक्वेशन 3. Okay, now OA AB, so on OA AB, so BC, and here y is equal to a, then equation 1 become f dot dr is equal to x square dx. So integral BC f dot dr is equal to a to 0 x square dx, that means x cube by 3. Okay, and limit is 0 to a, so a to 0, a to 0, so minus a cube by 3, equation 4. And last is CO, so on CO, and here x is equal to 0, so equation 1 becomes so f dot dr is equal to 0, then integral CO f dot dr is equal to 0, equation 5. Okay, now adding equation OA, AB, BC and CO, equation 2, 3, 4 and 5, adding equation 2, 3, 4 and 5, then we get integral f dot dr c, which is equal to a cube by 3 plus a cube by 2 minus a cube by 3 plus 0 is equal to a cube by 6 cancel out, a cube by 2, which is the answer. Okay, here vector r is this one, ठीक है, x 0 y 0 x value a and y is equal to this one. So integral f dot dr is 0 to a to b, b to c and c to o. 0 to A to B, B, C and CO. And vector R is xi plus yj plus zk. Z is 0, that means zk is removed. So R is xi plus yj. Then dr is xi plus dxi plus dyj. So in f dot del r, f dot this one and del r this one, I dot I, x square dx plus xy dy, this one. Now on OA, here y is 0, this is the value of x line, axis, then with y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 means this term is equal to 0, the remaining term is this one. Then integral of this term is x cube by 3 and limit 0 to a. Then a cube by 3, equation 2. And on AB, AB means x is equal to a only. So equation 1 becomes x is equal to a, x is equal to a. Okay, then integrate this term, we get a cube by 3. Okay, x is equal to a, that means dx is equal to 0. So dx is equal to 0, x is equal to a by dy. Integrate this and putting the limit, upper limit minus lower limit, then a cube by 2. Now on BC, B to C, here y is equal to a, y is equal to a, that means dy is equal to 0. So dy is equal to 0 and y is equal to a. So then remaining term is this only, and the putting of 0 to a to 0, B to C. So x cube by 3 and limit is a to 0. Then upper limit minus lower limit, that means minus a cube by 3. On CO, here x is 0, then x is 0, that means whole terms become 0. Then integral is also 0. On adding equation number 2, 3, 4, 5, that means OA plus AB plus BC plus CO. That means we get the whole integral part of this line. So this one. Now next question is, suppose vector f is x cube I yj zk is force field. Find the work done by vector f along the line from 1, 2, 3 to 3, 5, 7. So work done represented by integral C f dot dr, which is equal to limit 1, 2, 3 to 3, 5, 7, and f dot dr. F means x cube I yj zk dot dr. Dr means dxi dyj dzk. Okay, so integral 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 7, I dot I means x cube dx plus j dot j means y dy. K dot k is 1, that means z dz. Okay, so here the limit of x is 1 to 3, the limit of y is 2 to 5, and the limit of z is 3 to 7. So integral 1 to 3 x cube dx plus 2 to 5 y dy, and z is 3 to 7 z dz. Now integrating of this term x over 4 upon 4, limit 1 to 3 y square by 2, and limit is 2 to 5 z square by 2, and limit is 3 to 7. So upper limit minus lower limit, that means 81 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 25 by 2 minus 4 by 2 plus 49, 7 49 by 2 minus 9 by 2. So 81 minus 1, 80 by 4, 25 minus 4 यानी कि 21 by 2, 49 minus 9, so it means 40 upon 2. So LCM is 4, that means 80 42 plus 80, 80 plus 80 plus 42, 80 plus 80 42, that means 202. Okay, that means 50.5. Okay, so here vector f x cube I plus yj plus zk is a force field. Find the work done by F along the line this to this. Here the limit of x is equal to 1 to 3, and the y is 2 to 5, and y z is 3 to z is 7. So work done formula is F dot dr. The value of F put here, this one, the value of dr means r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. So dr means dxi plus dyj plus dzk put here, and the integration limit is 1 2 3 to 3 5 7, x to x, y to y, z to z according to positions. So dot product here, dot product means I dot I is 1, otherwise 0, and j dot j is 1 and others is 0, k dot k is 1, others is 0. So x cube dx, x cube dx, y j dy j, that means y dy, this one, z dz, k dot k is 1, z dz, and again limit. Okay, so x cube limit of x is x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 3 put here, y dy integration limit is y is 2 to 5 put here, and the limit of z dz is 3 to 7 put here. Okay, and integrate with respect to x, with respect to y, and with respect to z. So x की power 4 upon 4, limit is 1 to 3, and y square by 2, limit is 2 to 5, z square by 2, limit is 3 to 7, and upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit minus 2. Taking LCM and solve it, so we get this term.